Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and the Corsair RM850e. We'll explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to efficiency, the Corsair RM850e takes the lead with its 80+ gold certification, which means it can deliver up to 90% efficiency under typical loads. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart BX1, with its 80+ bronze certification, offers a maximum efficiency of around 88%. This difference in efficiency not only affects energy consumption, but also impacts heat generation and overall performance during heavy usage. Next, let's talk about modularity. The Corsair RM850e features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which results in a cleaner and more organized build. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are permanently attached. This can lead to cable clutter and make installation more challenging, especially in compact cases. Finally, let's consider the warranty period. The Corsair RM850e comes with a 7-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users investing in a high-quality power supply. In comparison, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 offers a 5-year warranty. While both warranties are respectable, the additional 2 years from Corsair can be a significant factor for long-term reliability. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and Corsair RM850e have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're on a budget and need a reliable power supply for a mid-range system, the Thermaltake is a solid choice. However, for those looking for better efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty, the Corsair RM850e is the superior option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.